Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya and in today's video I'm going to share with you this easy, beginner friendly purple glam makeup tutorial look. I have created this look using very affordable products and it is a beginner friendly makeup tutorial look. You can carry this look during any party, wedding function and clubbing. So make sure you watch this whole video till end. So the first thing I'm going to use this primer from Blue Heaven. This makeup stick from the brand Blue Heaven. Now I'm using this compressed powder from Blue Heaven, ultra high definition powder in shade Natural 4. So now I'm going to use this light shade of purple and apply it on my crease area. From the Cameleon palette, I'm going to use these two shades of purple and I'm going to mix it together and apply on my outer corner of my eyes and slightly blend it with the crease color. And here I'm again using the same shade of purple and applying on my lower lash line. So I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade 25 medium and I'll be cleaning my inner corner of my eyes with this concealer. And create a half cut crease like this. So now I'm by selecting this shimmer shade from the Cameleon palette and applying on my concealed area. So again I'm using this dark shade of purple and I'll blend it over this area to prevent harsh lines. Using this Lakmé insta-liner and I'll create a wing eyeliner look. So after this I'm using my Hyper Curl waterproof mascara from Maybelline. Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl eyeliner stick in shade You Are Always White and I'll be applying it on my low waterline. So now I'm going to use this lashes from pack in number 53. So here is one look with lashes on. So now I'm going to use my Sivanna colors, Contour and Illuminat contouring and highlighting kit, and I'm going to use this shade, first this shimmer shade for highlighting and this shade for my blush. Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade Spice Girls. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you're going to recreate this look or you find this video helpful, do let me know in the comment section below. Share this video with your family and friends. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. So see you next time. Bye.